So we'll have some radish out here. And this radish will keep this ground pretty stable, pretty good. So maybe I'm gonna put corn up this row where we walking up on. And I'm gonna put radishes and carrots on that row over there because they like that sandy type soil. So we'll put corn all the way up this row we walking on. So we'll be able to make bread out of the corn. And we'll put one side that we can freeze the corn and have like some sweet corn. So we'll do that too as well. And yeah, so it's gonna be a whole long row of corn. This row I'm walking down. So we're gonna do it like that. And over here is the green onion sections, garlic. Got this over here growing. So we got the green onions growing in there. Green onions in that back row. The garlic growing right here. And green onions right here. And then we got our potato row over here. A bunch of potatoes and collard greens over here. So we got to come over here and clean up and weed up. So you want to keep weeding your garden. If you're not doing like a no-till garden, the best thing to do is, stay on top of it. Like every time you walk through the garden, at least it depends on how big your garden is. You just walk through and just get all the weeds that you can. And the potatoes, they ain't came up yet. So once they come up, we'll just continue to heal these potatoes. You know what I'm saying? So we'll be able to heal all these and just keep stacking them up. So we'll take all the dirt from this aisle and put it there, and the dirt from this aisle and put it over there. We'll just keep building it up. So it's gonna be a beautiful garden, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. We got a lot going on. We'll have some animals over there very soon. So, you can see I got the fence right there. So we're just working hard over here. Taking advantage of these shiny day and beautiful day out here in North Carolina. Real beautiful. The wind blowing. Yeah, I can't wait to get some of you garlic. It's about to be mine. Garlic. I got that garlic from the store too. But yeah, y'all stay updated, man. I'll continue giving y'all some updates. Make sure to drop something in the comment if you want to see me make a video on it or ask some questions. All right, one love.